Welcome people of the internet. I'm going to share with you the 5 easiest and most efficient businesses you can start in 2023 that are easy and efficient and don't require any skills to begin with. At number 1, we have a Webflow business. You may be asking, what's a Webflow business? In short, it's a business where you create websites with the help of Webflow. I have a friend, his name is William. He generates about $10,000 with the help of this strategy. So what does he do? He reaches out to people, he grabs their attention, they come to him, they start chatting. Yo, I do websites, I want to build you a professional website. My price for the website is $400. Do you want it? Yes, no. If no, have an amazing and beautiful day and see you soon. If the answer is yes, okay, pay up, I'll do the website. And also, not to say, Webflow is totally free. You start making money and you become the better person. Webflow has changed so many lives and you can change your life too. Go to Webflow, create an account and begin making money. At number 2 is something that I literally do, it's social media marketing. I run a SMA, an agency that revolves around marketing. I do the same. I reach out to people via email, Instagram and also via TikTok. What do? I message them, I say, hey, I see you're doing vlogs and you're getting about 2 million views per month. I'll help you get 6 million views per month and also $4,000 extra. I can do this for $2,000 a month and also a container of $500. This is my proof, boom, 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 boom. Show your social proof. If they want to work, they'll pay you, you'll work, you'll get money, you'll collect the money, you make money, they make money. How do they make money? With the help of your marketing. These skills are learned while you learn. At number 3 is something that Luke Belmar does, and that's dropshipping. You may think dropshipping is dead and not functioning anymore. That's far from the truth. Do you know why? I have a video that's coming out where I did dropshipping for 1 week and I made $2,000. How is it dead? When I made a new dropshipping business with a new product and everything and made $2,000 without a fucking domain. I can't lie to you about these things. I'll make a video on it, I'll release it and boom. At number 4 we have being a salesman. If you know how to sell, you will never be broke or in a bad financial state. Do you know why? If you ever become to that position, you can always try to sell something. And if you know how to sell, you will always sell it. Guys, drop a like and subscribe and let's continue. Anything, sales for everything. You can do sales for marketing, sales for dropshipping, sales for boilers, sales for fridges, anything. Sales is at the top by far. And if you know how to sell, you become a top salesman, you can do anything later on. You can start any business that your heart contents. At number 5, we have copywriting. 99% of people that try copywriting fail. Do you know why? Because people are lazy, arrogant. They don't stick to the basics and try to learn the basic stuff. How do you lose weight? I'm genuinely asking me. Tell me, you have 5 seconds. Yeah, you know the answer. Then if you're fat, why are you fat? That's the honest truth, my friend. At number 6, we have something very controversial. That's crypto. I have a lot of business partners that are into crypto. I myself, I have a lot in crypto. I'd say I have about $30,000 in crypto, in Ethereum and Bitcoin. But that's not all of my money. I have friends that make $10,000 a month and they put $9,500 into crypto per month. I'm not going to tell you what they put it in because that will ruin the fun, but yeah, keep that in mind. Crypto is a good way to make money, including Forex, it's the same. I have a couple of Forex friends that started off rough, hustling for years, not making ends meet, but then suddenly they learned some crucial steps, they went here. Same with crypto, if it grows you're rich, if it doesn't, you're at the same place. In short, that's everything for today's video. Before you leave, I want to take the time to say thank you for the support. Hustle, make money, become an entrepreneur. Click here, click the link here and make money. Also hit that subscribe button, leave a like if you enjoyed this beautiful and amazing video. Be the better man, do the things especially when you hate them. See you in the next video.